Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can make, the Just Eat driver account. Okay, step by step. So it's actually quick and easy. So let's dive right in, guys. So what you want to do, guys, is first check eligibility. So you want to ensure that you actually meet the age, vehicle and documentation requirements. So before signing up, make sure you meet these requirements. Okay, so you need to be at least 18 years old. You need to have access to a bike, scooter, or car for deliveries. You want to have a smartphone with internet access to use the Just Eat app. And depending on your country, guys, you might need insurance for your vehicle and a valid driver's license. And then, guys, what you're going to do is just visit the Just Eat website. So you want to search, go to the website and just search for Just Eat a driver. Sign up on your browser, or just go directly to the career page and you want to select your country and city to see if applications are actually open in the area, guys. Okay. And then, guys, what you're going to do is just start the application. Click on the Apply Now button and just fill in your basic details. Things that include like your name, your full name, basically, your contact details, your email, your phone number, and your preferred vehicle for deliveries. And then after this, guys, they're gonna prompt you to provide documentation. So you're gonna upload the required documents. This usually includes, proof of identity like a passport or a driver's license, proof of address like a utility bill, vehicle documents like, for example, registration and insurance if applicable. And then after this, what's going to happen is Just Eat will require a background check to ensure basically safety for both customers and couriers. So you want to follow the instructions to actually submit your information for the check. And this step may take, a few days to actually process. So you just want to be patient. And once approved, guys, you basically receive an email with instructions to download the Just Eat Courier app. And you want to log in with the details actually provided to you in the email. Just complete this setup, including payment details, so you can actually get paid for your deliveries, guys. And then what you want to do is, if required, in some cities, the Just Eat may actually ask you to attend an onboarding session to learn more about the process. Just check your email for details. And once your account is active, guys, you're ready to basically start orders and start earning. Okay, you can accept these orders and start earning. And so open the app, go online, and get matched with orders in your area, guys. And if that's it, guys, you're now all set to become a Just Eat driver, guys. Follow these steps and you'll be hitting the road in no time. And if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others. Make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys next time.